Florida one step closer to allowing open carry of firearms in public. A state appeals court ruled that the ban on open carry is unconstitutional, saying it conflicts with the Second Amendment's right to bear arms.
The decision could have sweeping effects across the state and could influence the national debate on gun laws. News4JAX anchor Tarek Miner joining us now with reaction from the attorney who led the legal fight. And you're also hearing criticism about open carry, Tarek.
Well, and also local law enforcement agencies are explaining to News4JAX how they're going to proceed. The open carry ban being overturned was the result of Jacksonville gun rights attorney Eric Friday's case.
So honestly, Tarek, when I saw what the decision was about, I'm not going to lie, my hands were shaking trying to read it.
Eric Friday is the general counsel for Florida Carry, and he's also the lawyer behind the case that brought down Florida's ban on openly carrying firearms. A three-judge panel of the First District Court of Appeals ruled the ban is unconstitutional, citing U.S. Supreme Court precedent. Local sheriff's departments are explaining how they'll move forward. The Jacksonville Sheriff's Office releasing this statement in part, writing in Duval County, as of Wednesday afternoon, JSO leadership instructed officers that they cannot detain or arrest solely based on openly carrying a firearm. Businesses, stores, and private property owners may still prohibit open or concealed carry of firearms on their premises. Restricted areas remain courthouses, sheriff's offices, certain government buildings, school property, buses, and colleges and universities. The Alachua County Sheriff's Office is taking a different approach, writing on Facebook. I want to emphasize that this opinion is not final until the disposition of any timely and authorized motion under Florida Rules of Appellate Procedure 9.330. Therefore, as of today, the status of the law concerning open carry or firearms is the same as it was yesterday. There has been no change. In Clay County, Sheriff Michelle Cook posted that she's telling her deputies not to enforce the statute if they see someone openly carrying. But she made it clear that certain businesses like grocery stores and shopping centers can prohibit people from openly carrying their guns. The Columbia County Sheriff's Office also posted a similar announcement saying there's still a period of time for additional court motions to be filed before this becomes official. But at this time, it is not anticipated that this decision will be challenged. They also reiterated that private property owners and businesses have the right to ban open carrying of firearms. Governor DeSantis has supported repealing the ban for years as lawmakers considered a change, but not everyone agrees with the decision. News4JAX viewer Truth Hurts writes, "This is definitely not the right decision. Concealed carry is fine, but open carry will create unnecessary alleged threats that's going to end badly. Just the plain sight of a firearm on someone's person will create more tension between the people involved. Also, it will give some people an ego they can't handle." That guy 11 writes, "Not sure why you would want to open carry anyway. Concealed is a much wiser approach." News4JAX is also waiting to hear back from the St. Johns County Sheriff's Office to see how they are going to be handling the ruling. When we do hear back, we'll let you know and update the story as well on news4jax.com.